Hey guys, I'm sorry how short this recording was. Me and Carson just really wanted to get this done and start using it and stuff, and so we just didn't really have time to record it. And me and Carson just won't be recording on Nick Carson Plays for a while, like in 10 days or something like that, because Carson's just like really busy with basketball and stuff. So I will be recording on Nick Plays 101, so make sure you check out that. Be in the description of this video, so I'll see you guys later.